These are our years, and they are.
May sanksyon na na. Ang sanksyon na na. Huwag na rin na. Babata. Okay? Ano na sa mga kapalibaw. Okay? Ha?
Live ni siya? Live ni?
It's up.
YouTube. We're gonna upload later.
Live ni?
It's out. Yeah, big. First five ready.
Dahil taga-UP yan si Mr. Tiham, 27. Talaya na, 2 partner game. Naman sa taga-kuha na ng GRI.
First five. Let's go. Ogie Boy. Shoot. Good for two by Ogie Boy.
2 points.
Again, 24-second shot clock. Sertol. Shoot with the ball. Sertol, pass to Ivan. Makarak. Jump pass to Ivan. Ivan, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni Tags. 7 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for first quarter. 18-second shot clock. Ogie Boy. Passes it to MJ. MJ stops and fires with the wala. Nakuha ni Eric Tagalog. Who's foul ref? Foul number 4. First personal foul, first team foul. Again, our first and third quarter is going to be a running time in our 8 minutes running time. First one is good for our team. In our fourth quarter, no running time. 8 minutes, no running time. Second throw is good for our Tagalog. Score is 4-0 in favor of MJC Medical Supply. Sertol dribbling the ball. Shot clock 18. Jao, Dodo. Sarigo. Mitch, turns it over. Nakuha yung Tagalog. Tagalog, Gidaro, and it's good for two by Glenn Jimena. Glenn Tagalog. Sertol. Sertol, who's foul ref? Foul number 29. First personal foul, first team foul. Mitch passes it to Sertol. Pass to number 10. Number 10 guy in the back. Drop pass to Makin. Makin will lose it. Mitch fakes, hesitates. Drop pass again to Makin. Fires second shot clock and lose. What's the call, ref? 3 seconds violation. Number 21, Boss Man. Pass it to Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog. Pass to Darrell Gunato, fires, wala, nakuha ni MJ power move, nakuha ni Tags, nakuha ni Yapo, nakuha ni Ising, nakuha ni Tags, 8 second shot clock, MJ fires, wala, nakuha ni number 10, nagmamadali, si number 10 behind the back, nawan niya silang tanan, good for 2 by number 10, 6-2 in favor of MJC Medical Supply. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. 16 minutes shot clock. A second stay. Ogie Boy crossover. 10 second shot clock. Who's foul ref? Foul number 27. First personal foul. Second team foul. Again, 6 minutes remaining for first quarter. Number 10. Nagmamadali na sa si number 10. Number 10. DJ Lele up pero wala. Nakuha ni Mitch. Nakuha ni Ivan. Nakuha ni number 10. Ni Ay. 14 second shot clock. Number 10, extra pass to Mitch. Mitch fires, wala. Nakuha ni MJ, 24 second shot clock. MJ, nagmamadali. MJ, wala. Nakuha ni Bakit. Pass to Sertol. Shot clock 24. Ito. Easy. Drop pass to Mackin. Pag na-steal ni Boss MC. Nakuha ng Tagalog. It's gonna be an out of bounds. Same ball. Again, score 6-2 in favor of MJC Medical Supply. Shot clock 14 seconds. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. Shot clock 10 seconds. Tagalog loses the ball. Mitch, drop pass to Mackin. Mackin, and it's good for 2. Mackin. Makara. Air Tagalog. Shot clock 15. Air Tagalog fires. Wala. Ivan, nabaw na ulit. Good for 2 by Ivan. One list na ang score. Boss MC dribbling the ball. Shot clock 18 seconds. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for first quarter. Ogie Boy. Shot clock 12 seconds. Ogie Boy. Shot clock 9 seconds. Fires for 3. Darrell Bonato. Wala. Naman ang tag. Shot clock 14. Tags drop pass to MJ. Good for 2. Nababalik ang buha ang MJC. 20 second shot clock. Sentol. Gilabang. Pasang Ivan. Ivan. Pictos. Good for 2 by Ivan Teham. Ivan. Ivan. MJ. Wala. Kuha ni Ivan. 4 minutes remaining. Mitch. Drop pass to Ivan. Ivan. Wala. And nakuha yun ni Ivan. And it's good for 2. Ivan Teham. 3 minutes and 45 seconds for first quarter, guys. 8-10 in favor of LEJ Pharmacy. JEL. Sorry, Boss Mac fires. Wala. Pero na si Ogie Boy na itinsa diha. Mitch steps back. Fires for time out. MJC Medical Supply. Again, labaw og 5 ang JEL Pharmacy. Kuntas gid ang MJC ron guys kay 5 na sila wa sila sabo. Nasa. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Ogie Boy passes to MJ. MJ shoots. Good for 2. Foul counted. Who's foul ref? Foul number 27. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Again, bonus throw for MJ. Basket is counted. Substitution to okay na to kay Juan shot man. Sa shot hindi. Dead ball. Again, duha ra ang labaw sa JEL Pharmacy. 3 minutes remaining for first quarter. Number 10 stops, shoots. Wala. Labaw ang upat ang JEL Pharmacy. Boss Mac. Pass to Darrell Bonato. Air Tagalog. Ginahos who's foul rep. Foul number 10. First personal foul. 14 foul. Again, JEL Pharmacy working for penalty. First draw for Air Tagalog. No good. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for first quarter. 11-15 is our score in favor of JEL Pharmacy. Second row for Air Tagalog. No good pa rin. Fuzzy Boy. Fuzzy Boy dribbling the ball. Passes into Arias. Arias. Wala. Ipasa ni Fuzzy Boy. Fuzzy Boy fires and it's good for 3. 5 Boy. Shot clock 24 seconds. Ogie Boy passes to Boss Mac. Boss Mac pass to Daryl Donato. Daryl Donato nagkalisod, nakitan si Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy shoots. And it's
Hey!
Pinaril pa nga. Pinaril pa nga. Fuzzy Boy. 18 second shot clock. Rocket. 13 second shot clock, guys. Arias, wala. Same ball. Shot clock 14. Resets. Fuzzy Boy. Still with Arias. Shot clock 12 seconds. Rocket. Page. Shot clock 5 seconds. Fires. No good. Nakuha number 10. Number 10. Page. Shoots. Wala. Nakuha. Passes to Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog magmamadali. Wala. Nagitang foul sa Air Tagalog. No foul. Page. Stop. Shoots. Wala. Nakuha ni Boy. Fuzzy Boy. 15 second shot. Fuzzy Boy. Out of bounds. Shot clock reset. Substitution and out natin. Let's go back to the ball game, guys. Fuzzy Boy passes to Makin. Makin fakes, shoots, wala. Nakuha ni Icing. Ogie Boy passes to Air Tagalog. Again, 58 seconds remaining, guys, for first quarter. Labaw dupat ang JEL Pharmacy. Air Tagalog fakes, Gidaro, drop pass to MJ, nice pass. Good for 2. Connection in Dua. Arias dribbling the ball. 40 seconds remaining for first quarter. 18 second shot clock. Makin fires for 3. No hesitation. Wala. Pero nakuha ni MJ. At si Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. Ogie Boy. Smooth ball kanina sa Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy. Pass to Boss Mac. Boss Mac drop pass. MJ fires. Wala. 20 seconds remaining for first quarter. I think nakuha ang turnover. 15 seconds remaining. Air Tagalog. Gitsa. Shot. Labis na ang score. 5 seconds remaining. Mitch fire from downtown. Good for 3. Arias. That's a buzzer beater by Mitch Arias. Nabaw tulo ang JEL. Start of our second quarter. Nabaw tulo ang JEL Pharmacy. Makmak passes to Ronan. Ronan, 20 second shot clock. Number 14, pass to Ronan, drop pass to the speed ni Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy, nagkamalaki, pasa ni Icing. Icing good for 2. Nabaw nagusa ang JEL Pharmacy. Ronan, pass to Makmak. Makmak, no hesitation. Air ball. Ogie Boy. Shot clock 20 seconds. MJ Alcantara. MJ Alcantara finds Ogie Boy. Shot clock 14 seconds. Boss Mac finds Ogie. Shot clock 8 seconds. Drop pass to MJ. Nakuha ni MJ. Fires. Who's foul? Ref. Foul number 14. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws.
Ay, wala ko ugma.
Number 17, MJ Alcantara.
Nakawala ka ugma man.
First throw is no good. A chance to get the tie. MJ. Second throw. Second throw is good by MJ. Score is tied, 21 all. Ronan Nabagan. Dribbling the ball. 18 seconds shot clock. Ronan. Kita kapasahan, kita si Brown. Shot clock 10 seconds. Jao fires, wala. Kuha ni Discartin. Shot clock, 14. And
Good.
it's good for 2. Tags. Dribbling the ball. Bosma. Balik yung Tags. Tags hesitates. Extra pass to Darrell Gonato. Fires for 3. Wala. Ronan. Coast to coast. Ronan Mendangit. Ronan drop pass. Wala. And who's foul? Foul number 21. First personal foul. First team foul. Again, labaw duha ang JEL Pharmacy. First row no good. Second row no good. Nakuha ni MJ Alcantara. 20 second shot clock, 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining for second quarter. MJ steps back. No good. Gidaro.
Agay.
Nakuha ni Ronan. Malagi hapon. Kuha ni MJ. Sali ng Tagalog. Air Tagalog. Nagmamadali. Wala. Steal by Jao Ming. Shot clock 24. Ronan stops. Wala. Fake by Makmak. And it's gonna be a 3 seconds violation. Again, 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for second quarter, guys. Ogie Boy, long pass. Bosma hesitates. Fires for 3. Wala. Nabawarag duha ang JEL Pharmacy. Nabawarag duha. Jao Ming. Whoop. Let's get a call, ref. Lifting. Okay. Substitution in, out in. Let's go. Back to the ball game, guys.
Kaya GCO. May sub.
Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. Ogie Boy. 15-second shot clock. Ogie Boy hesitates. Tipan si Tags. Ibalik niya ang Ogie Boy. 10-second shot clock. Bosma fires for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni kay single for 2. Wallace na ang score. 23 all. Sertol. Dribbling the ball. 20-second shot clock. Sertol crosses. Drop pass from the 15. It's gonna be an out of bounds mula sa MJC Medical Supply. Glenn Jimena to Ogie Boy. Now, very good. 20-second shot clock. Again, 4 minutes remaining, guys, for second quarter. Ogie Boy. Shot clock, 11 seconds. Ogie Boy, fire the low 3. Wala. Rebound by Ivan. Ivan coast to coast. Ivan. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 14. First personal foul. Second team foul. First row, Ivan. First row for Ivan. First row, no good. Again, Wallace, score ha, 23 all. Ivan, second row. No good. Nakuha ni Boss MC. MJ, dribbling the ball. 18-second shot clock. MJ, defending ni Sertol. MJ,
Agay.
nakalisod. Oh! Basket is counted! MJ doing his best. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 27. Lucky foul. Third personal foul, number 27. Second team foul. Bonus throw for MJ Alcantara. Bonus throw for MJ. Free throw is no good. Nakakuha ka pa na MJ. MJ doing his work. Look at Doncic. MJ Alcantara. Kabigyan na siya, guys. 1 month na lang, pero lisod yung nakupungan ko. Pupupaw. Jogging, fire for 3. Good for Again, 18-second shot clock. Ogie Boy, labaw mo sa MJC Medical Supply. Air Tagalog, drawing a play. Boss Mac, balik to tags. 5-second shot clock. Ogie Boy, no hesitation, 3. Wala, shot clock resets to 14. Boss Mac, no hesitation, 3 again. Wala, pero nakuha ni Ivan. Ivan Tiag, ginamitan ni Sertol. Sertol, side step, what a move by Sertol again. Labanan niya sa ang JEM Pharmacy. Mana siya guys, lisod yan ang waon. Si Sertol, yan mo na. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 20. Foul number 20. Reaching foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for number 17. First row. First row is good for MJ. Again, score is tied, 28 all. Second throw for you, MJ.
Ako sa basketan.
Para Labaw. Second throw is good by MJ. Hip check for MJ Alcantara.
Video pa dali na.
Drawing play. Sertol. Tony Mislan. Sertol. Passes to Jao. Balik kay Sertol. Fakes. Pivot. Makin shoot for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Jao. Who's foul? Rip. Foul number 21. 25. Oh, foul number 25. Yan na. Table time out sa doon. Table time out. Again, tanawan yung mga foul ng JC Medical Supply kay Lumaro na ito. First draw for Jao. First draw, no good. Again, labaw pa to sa MJC Medical Supply. Second draw for Jao. Second row is no good. Nakuha ni Air Tagalog. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining for second quarter. 18-second shot clock. Boss Mac. Boss MC. Kitan si Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog fakes. Back to Boss MC. Drop pass to Ogie Boy. Drop pass to MJ. What a nice pass. Kanasipyat yapon Ogie Boy. Fires. Wala. Short si Ogie Boy. Makin, spins, shoots, wala. Nakuha ni Ogie Boy. Gibaw sa spin. Nakita si MJ. MJ tinain. Drop pass. Nice pass to Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog! Wala, move by Air Tagalog. Doing his magic too. Air Tagalog for you guys. Sertol. Drop pass to Ivan, simple move, fakes. What's the call, ref? Gonna be foul. Foul by number... Say foul ito. 21. Substitution. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Again, shout out, Kenneth Goal! Daan na si Kenneth Goal, ha? Maganda na kayo! Mag-iinit na ang kamay nitong batang to! Awas si Kitkin, atras na siya, pusta! Kita ng Kitkin! Why kan sila idol? Air Tagalog, nagmamadali! Goal for 2! Labaw na ang MJC! Labaw og 5 ang MJC. Mix, fires for 3, wala! Nakuha ni Sertol. Sertol, close to close. Fake, fires, wala! Nakuha ni Spicy Darwin Donato. It's gonna be a lot of bounds. Same ball. Bola, sorry. Bola sa MJC Medical Supply. Again, 50 seconds remaining guys for our second quarter. 50 seconds remaining. Labaw mo pa, MJC. MJ. Spins, loses the ball. Sertol coast to coast, wide open for an easy layup. Good for two by Sertol. 30 seconds remaining. Air Tagalog gets the ball. 20 seconds remaining. Air Tagalog finds Ogie Boy. Extra pass to Darren Donato. Fires for three. Wala. Left hand gets the ball, pero nakuha ni MJ. MJ 10 seconds remaining. Boss Mac fires. Wala. Nakuha ni MJ. MJ shoots. 5 seconds remaining, guys. 5 seconds remaining. Ivan loses the ball. 2 seconds remaining. And the second quarter. Grabe, nagutag match up ni Nilay. Labot ng skin eh. Patay. Be ready. Again guys, relax. Shout out to our star player. Asan naman to? Asan naman? Wala. Kanim. Parang parang na. Usara naka-player na pero kulbak mo nga. Patay. Kalat. Nakuha ni Makin, coast to coast. Makin, pasa ni Mitch Arias. Power move, wala. Rebound by Kenneth Cole from UB Baby Lancers. Kenneth, kanina ka dyan. Baka ni MJ, good for two. Labanan ito ang MJC. Kahit sa hapon ang giboy. Wagi ni Sodi ang bulsa. Kay galaw-law man. Ivan, nain. Again, 20 second shot clock for third quarter, guys. Nabawag 5 ang MJC. Ogie Boy, 10 second shot clock, Ogie Boy. 8 second shot clock. Kenneth doing his work. MJ loses the ball. Ganong ginugay-dugay ang ulat. Mitch Arias shoots. Nakuha ni Air Tagalog. Out of bounds. Bola sa MJC Medical Supply. Again, 6 minutes and 50 seconds for third quarter. Kenneth stop. Drop pass. Wala. Pero nakuha balik niya. Nakita si Boss MC. Boss MC back to Air Tagalog. 12 seconds shot clock Kenneth. Kenneth fakes. Drop pass to MJ. Nice pass. Wala. Nakuha ni Air Tagalog. Who's foul rip? Foul number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Air Tagalog. First throw. It's good. Second throw. Second throw is good. Substitution in, out, in. Again, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Sertol drawing a play. Sertol finds Vitarias wide open for 3. Shoots, no good. Nakuha ni Ogie Boy. Drop pass to Air Tagalog. Binalik kay Ogie Boy. Wala. Turns it over. Mitch Arias nagmamadali. Drop pass to Ivan. That's gonna be out of bounds. Save ball. And 6 minutes and 6 seconds for our third quarter. Good for 2 by Sertol. What a nice move by Sertol. Grabe. Isod niya kung magbuha alay. Score 34-39. Favor of MJC Medical Supply. Kenneth nagbinaga na sa ground. Wala. Nakuha ni MJ. Nakapilok si MJ. Gondra. Tibutay ko. Ivan. Wala. Who's foul? Tama. Foul number 10. Pushing foul. Tira. Dili na. Season injury ha. Let's go! Hello ko mga players. Ito sa tanan. Kalmanan ka. Okay na tanan. Sertol fires. Good for 2 by Sertol. Abaw na nagtulo. ang MJC players. Atras na tagamay, kaya di makakita din. Atras na tagamay ka, makakita din. Tama. Boss MC loses the ball. Ivan nagmamadali. Number 10. Gihansak. Wala pa si Boy. Kita si Ivan. Ivan fakes. Wala. Ay. Wala ni Ivan. Good defense by Ogie Boy. Best get is counted. Bonus throw for Ivan Diab. Foul number 14. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw for number 27. A chance to get the tie. Ivan. Bonus throw for Ivan. No good. Nakuha ni Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog finds Kenneth Poole. Kenneth doing his work. Kenneth. I-pressure lang. Kenneth. Dribbling the ball. 10-second shot clock. Drop pass to Icing. Nakita si Ogie Boy. Kenneth, no hesitation, please. Wala. Panakuha ni Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog, yes! Grabe. Favorite mo, Daria. Yung mga kon, bakubit-kubit, subit. Tara, Sertol. Sertol. Dribbling the ball. Sertol, drop pass para Castillo. Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog, pass to Kenneth. Ayay. Medyo namuglaw atong Migoro. Awa lang. Import lang katangin. Pagkayong lumaan. Dinoya. Pass to Fuzzy Boy. Number 10, jump shots. Shoots. Wala. Nakuha ni Spicing Donato. 20-second shot clock. Again na tayo 8 seconds ha. Kenneth. Gitabanggan na tanan. Kenneth kay Ogie Boy. Wala. Pass kay Ogie Boy. Pero wala. Again, napaw tulo ang MJC. Fuzzy Boy. Fires. Wala. Sertol. Binaveteran move. Hindi nakita ng referee yun. Air Tagalog. Pass by the Scarlet. Time out. JEL Pharmacy. Again. Ayaw ko ba? Mga players ba? Likod na ba? Third. Go! First throw pa na. Tampo. Okay, bonus throw. Foul counted, bonus throw. Bonus throw for Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog shoots. Wala. Wala na ka-live kanina. Number 10, nagbaba na din. Dito po, wow! What a move! Pero wala. Nakuha ni Air Tagalog. Pass to Boss MC. Boss MC to Kenneth. Kenneth. Nakuha ni Ogie Boy. Nakita si Gustavo sa shoot. Foul red. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Brad.
Huh? Unang. First throw for Boss MC, no good. Second throw for Boss MC. Second throw is no good. Nakuha ni... Oh. Lingkod lagi mo.
Ay!
Fuzzy Boy shoots.
Hey!
Oh, good. Air Tagalog shoots, good for 2. Again, 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for third quarter. Fuzzy Boy, drop pass to Lester Binoya. Lester, wala, nakuha ang discarded, pero nakuha ni Air Tagalog. Kenneth Cole, drop pass to Ogie Boy, rapid malakas out. Balik, Ogie Boy, passes to Spacing, pero steal niya Roland, 1-on-1 with Boss MC. Roland shoots, wala, nakuha ni Kenneth. Again, 20-second shot clock, Kenneth. Nice pass by Kenneth. Good for 2. Time Samo. Score 47-43 in favor of MJC Medical Supply. Fuzzy ball, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 20 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining for third quarter. Miscommunication. Boss MC. Pass to Ogie Boy. 24-second shot clock. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Get it going. No hesitation, 3. Pase! Awa, ganda. Kinaunahan mo ito. Fuzzy boy. Dribbling the ball. Fuzzy boy. Pass to Market. Steve. Wala. Is it ball, ref? Same ball. Again, 54 seconds remaining. Fuzzy boy. Dribbling the ball. Fuzzy boy. Fakes. Market. Jump shot. Good for. Wala na eh. Rebound by Spicy. Yan yung hotdog. Kenneth looking for wide open teammate. Kenneth doing his work. Kenneth is almost loses the ball. Boss MC, no hesitation. 3. And it's good for 3. Nabawag na po ang MJC Medical Supply. Again, 28 seconds remaining, guys. 20 seconds remaining. Again, you have the last shot. Fuzzy boy fires! For 3. Wala. Nakuha niya yung Tagalog. Bumintog na ang MJC. Tagalog. Time, telephone! Get it, go! 5 minutes, 1 second remaining, guys. 3 seconds remaining. Nabaw 13 ang MJC Medical Supply. This is our fourth and last quarter, guys. Again, 8 minutes, no running time. Let's go. Echarias. Tip pass. Get it on.
Ano yung ngayon sa YouTube?
Kyles, Mitch, Echarias. Gita kapasahan, pressure. 5 Sertol, Mars for 3. And no good, nakuha ni Ivan. Ivan with a hustle play. Good for 2, Ivan Dihab. Again, Nabaw 11, MJC Medical Supply. Shot clock 18 seconds. Kenneth calling for play. Calling for screen. 10 second shot clock, Kenneth. 8 second shot clock, Kenneth. 5 for 3.
Agoy!
That's Kenneth for you. Nagsugod na. Sertol. Easy move. Hindi sa namang palumpit. Sertol nyo. Hindi sa kamat. 20 second shot clock, guys. 7 minutes remaining for the last quarter. Kenneth to win the ball. Again, both teams have 2 timeouts, so use it. Kenneth dribbling the ball. 9 second shot clock. Guys, 5 second shot clock. And check pass. Shot clock resets to 14. Hindi, sorry. 2 seconds. Shot clock, 2 seconds. Boss Bang, no take 2. Will for 2 by Boss MC. Grabe. Who's foul? Foul 14. Pushing foul. 14. Third personal foul. First team foul. Shot. John Wick, long pass to Echarias. Mitch doing his work. Mitch shoots. No good. Ivan, and wala. Nagalisod. And what's the call, ref? It's gonna be an out of bounds. Mula sa MJC Medical Supply. Again, 6 minutes and 26 seconds for fourth quarter. 20 second shot clock. Ogie Boy. Shot clock 15. Kenneth. Shot clock 10 seconds. Kenneth doing his work. Shot clock 5 seconds. Kenneth drop pass to El Tagalog. El Tagalog icing wide open for 3. For 3. Ivan drop pass to Mitch. What a nice pass by Ivan. Good for 2 by Mitch Arias. Again, our score 49-64 in favor of MJC Medical Supply. Tagalog waiting for his teammates. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Spicing Gunato. Drop pass to Ogie Boy. Shot clock 5 seconds. Who's foul? Ref? Foul 17. Number? Foul number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw. For Kenneth. Second throw for Kenneth, no good. Umugnaw sa free throw, pero okay ra. Mitch Arias. Kaya mo yung teammate. Drop pass to Jao. Nice pass. Good for 2. Basket is down and bonus throw for Johnny. Who's foul? Number 21. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw for number 20. Gamay na lang guys ha. 51-64 ang score. Kung ma-shot ni 52 na. 52 na. Gamay na lang. Busi na lang. Busi na lang. Ogie Boy, Lisod. There's 9 seconds violation again. Remember to do that, boy. Kenneth, you pressure na siyang sentol. Kenneth, shot clock 12 seconds. Kenneth, pass to Boss MC. Drop pass to Air Tagalog. Good for 2. What a nice pass by by Boss MC. Mitch Arias dribbling the ball. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Mitch, what a nice move. Good for 2. Kenneth, nagbama na rin. Kenneth, long pass to Isaac strikes. Pero good for 2 rin kaya hapon. Again, both teams have 2 timeouts. Ivan, post move. Ivan fakes, shoots, wala. Pero nakuha ang offensive rebound. Good for 2. Again, 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, guys. Time out. MJC Mega Supply. You have 1 time out. Jay Nakita, they went moving in town. Let's go. Back to the ball game. Ogie Boy. Passes to Air Tagalog. Shot clock 15. Air Tagalog. Long pass to Icing, no hesitation 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Ivan. Drop pass to Mitch. Balik ni Ivan Jelly. Good for 2 by Ivan Tiam. Again, the phone na rin na foul. Get shot clock 15 seconds. Again, 4 minutes remaining for Florida last quarter. This brought to you by Toyota Mabulog. Kenneth Cole. No hesitation 3. Steals the ball. Kenneth Cole doing his work again. Ball everyone. Nagdinuwaan guys. 15 second shot clock. Kenneth turns it over. Pero nakuha ni Icing. Wala. Sertol, long pass to Mitch Arias. 1-on-1 with Ogie Boy. Knock in Ogie Boy. Basket. What is throw for you? Foul number 14. Substitution. 4th personal foul number 14. 3rd team foul. Again number 14. Warning for foul out ha. Again, mawala yung sub. Arias. Basket counted. Bonus throw for Arias. Chance to get the lead to 10 points. Arias, Mitch. Bonus throw. Bonus throw is good by Mitch Arias. Napo na lang yung ball sa MJC. Under 3 minutes and 20 seconds. For the last quarter. Ogie Boy. Turns it over. Nakuha si Discarte. Amakin passes to Mitch Arias. Wala. Who's foul? Rep. Foul number 21. 4th personal foul number 21. 14 foul. Sorry. MJC Medical Supply. Warning for penalty. Usa. Mikas. 4. Mitch Arias. First throw is no good. Again, 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining for 4 and last quarter.
Blood.
71-61 is our score. Second throw for Mitch Arias, no good. Cold hands. Ogie boy. Passes it to Kenneth Cole. Kenneth Cole, nagmamadan. Kenneth Cole. Isolation. Kenneth Cole. Crosses over. Shot, 13 seconds. Kenneth. Losing the ball. Kenneth Cole back. And moves. Good. Ivan Tiham wide open. Easy 2 points. Good for 2. Again, 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining, guys. Napawag walo ang MJC. Ivan pressuring. Drop pass by Ogie Boy, nice pass. Air Tagalog, Guidaro. Shoot. Good for 2. Lock in. Again, guys, 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 10. First personal foul. Penalty. Second Kenneth. Oras yan, 2 minutes, 22 seconds. MJC, penalty. First throw, no good. Penalty na siya. JEL Pharmacy, both teams have one. Boss MC. Boss MC. Ivan Marshall. Nakuha ni Ogie Boy. Shot clock 14. Ogie Boy doing his work. Ogie Boy spins. Pass. Shot clock 5 seconds. Tagalog good for 2. What a nice move by Air Tagalog, guys. Ivan dribbling the ball. Ivan stops, cross. Ivan good for 2. Again, 2 minutes remaining. Ogie Boy finds Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog. Defense for Sepol. Wala. Again, guys, ayaw mo gumtong. One decision. Ayaw mo gumtong. One decision. Ano kami? Sepol good for 2. 75 to 3. Sepol na lang. Again, time remaining. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ogie. Drop pass to Kenneth. Spins. Shoots. Drop pass to Boss MC. Good. Boss MC. That's it. Settle. Big. Shoots. One. Better than move. By Settle. Labaw. After 1 minute, guys. Ay, Tagalog. Mitch Arias. Mitch finds Sepol. Sepol drop pass. Who's foul? Basket up, guys. Penalty. Third personal foul, penalty. Sepol. First throw for Ivan. Second throw good by Ivan. Hoy, maglabang-labang ha. What time mo makakap ang bula sa ring taon? Ay, tawag nyo, labangi na yun. Tawag ka ng kapital. Palinog lang. Second row is good. Throw na lang. Depression. Tagalog. Tabangan ulit. Tagalog. Five, Kenneth Cole. Spicy, right? Spicy, di ba nakuha ang ulo? Sabi mo, ispita mo yung desisyon ni Kenneth.
po kayo. Bakit pa kayo? Gusto ko pakitao nyo Again, kailangan ka-blue, official na, back na. Back na yata. Let's go! No time out, go please. Empty the ball, pass down. Clear, get the ball. Clear, go up. Let it go, net. Wait lang. Second personal foul, second team foul. No penalty. Second team foul. Substitution, Lena, captain. 20 seconds.
Sige, pagsumbagahin mo.
Again, mga mamis, pakilita, mga mamis, may ikot.
Init. Asa team tags? Blue.
Again, 1.8 seconds remaining. The ball block. Let's go, guys. Take it easy lang. Lumipas mo na doon.
Hey! Oh my God, overtime!
Oh my God!
Basket number, overtime!
Uy, kainit, laban na. May na lang na videohan. May na lang na. Ay mo pag ali-alihas yung bagong kamera. Sa YouTube na niya.
Naka-video na kaya?
Sa YouTube.
YouTube? Oh, sa the page? YouTube yan. Ano daw? Pastor Bao! Pastor Bao! Ay, ginagawa.
Matik, subscribe. Char.
Hello, wala na delivered. Go, go!
Oh, live ta, live ta. Full match din eh. Agoy!
Parang yawa. Wala pa gay nakaduwa sila music. Oh, ugmay la duwa. Kontra nila si Jeff oy. Jamaico.
Kapuya na binasig video, ha? Overtime pagid mo, how? Di ra ba ni bayad? Char.
Oy, gitapoy lang natin video.
I-share good niya kay I need subscribers and views. Like and subscribe. Char.
Again, kasunod, pwede makapag sa game, ha? Score, 177. Bitch, bitch. It has a set on. Easy move.
Hey!
Third personal foul. 14
Wala ka na masina mo. Day.
3 minutes remaining for our overtime set ball. Relax. It's clear. Rich. We got the screen. Set ball.
Yeah. Balo ko ba? Share ko ni Prinsesa.
Ay, gaga.
Music was guilty and called wide open. Silence, Fuzzy Boy. Disrupting, take, the boy comes in. 1 minute remaining. Second, nice defense for the foul. Back visiting Sandy Cole. 10 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Minute fires. Second personal foul, penalty.
Nasikas ka, napapugram ko lang. Hindi mo ito siya, pick up. Awa. Hindi mo siya, ayaw na ko. Napapuno na siya dito. Ayaw. Nakakabal na chick sigod. Uy, sweet. Hindi mali ka lagi daw. Kaya ko tayo duwas lari ba? Dapat sa chick siya na dapat ko niya ulo.
Last 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds.
Kaya. Oh. Mag second overtime pa ni kung di pa na malos.
Yo, thank you. Bilang sa score na tiniki.
Walis. Asa behind it? All with it.
Ah, nay. Wala, mapuno ng storage na ko ani. Bahala mo din, may mga video ninyo. Car.
Back to the ball game. Let's go, let's go.
Ano ba? Pwede sa katihap. Kuya dyan ang tuloy dyan. G, kuya ang tuloy dyan ang sige.
Two free throws.
Nagbabalik ka rin yung music na ako. Out number 30.
First row is good.
Out ang number 30. Hinahamon yung iPhone mo kaya. Look, na-chat na ikan ako.
Second row is good. 23 seconds remaining, guys.
Oh, Ivan.
Last 15 seconds.
Grabe mo, 100 na na-score. Ano? Uy, kaya saan ka rin? Ay, ikaw. Ano na baba? 17 na ako. Iyan na lang siya. Contradiction. Gay ko lang. Ano, dalang twisted. No, gay ko. Ay, free sapatos ba ito? Ako, lagi mo kayo ka.
Congratulations, both teams. Alioko, Pirlo, sportsmanship na din